Howdy viewers, this is Mr. Palace. Do my first YouTube video. I'm doing this in response to some work that one of the students did today. Really surprised me and got me pretty excited. So I decided I should probably try and keep up with the third graders, right? So the trip started here with Mr. Palace's virtual classroom, which is mrpalaceclass.weebly.com. I found out a student was using Minecraft to make some YouTube videos, so I wanted to let him know about my challenge blog. And on my challenge blog, I challenged my students to use Minecraft to create an array. Now, an array is a way that we can solve, it's one strategy that we can use to solve a multiplication equation. So this is my sample equation. I made a 4 by 6 array in Minecraft. So this solves the equation of 4 times 6. So if I see I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 by 6 array. If I count all these, I have 4 groups of 6, which means 24 total dirt blocks. Now my challenge on the website, is to do the same thing in Minecraft, make an array, illustrating any equation that you want, and then take a screenshot, send me the screenshot, and I'll post it on my page. Well, this student, DJ Bob MC, went ahead and rather than just creating a picture, taking a screenshot, he created an entire YouTube video showing how he created the how he made his array. I was really impressed, and what I wanted to do was kind of take what he did and simplify it, make it a little shorter video, and kind of illustrate how to create an array in Minecraft. So what I've done is I've gotten Minecraft already. It's dusk, or rather dawn. The sun has just come up. I was working on a redstone creation prior to this. But I also have a couple equations here. So over here we've got 3 times 5, and over here we've got 4 times 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show 2 separate ways to illustrate this equation. Okay, 2 different forms of arrays. Now I know 3 times 5 is asking me make 3 groups of 5 things. So in this equation I decided to make it pumpkins because I love Halloween, and so why not use pumpkins? So I'm going to make 3 groups. 1 group, 2 groups, and 3 groups. Now the equation is 3 groups of 5, so that means each group should have 5 pumpkins. So I'm going to go ahead and add, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 pumpkins in that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins in that group. Now in the final group I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So altogether, come on now, there we go. I've got 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5 pumpkins. 5 pumpkins here, 5 pumpkins here, 5 pumpkins here. Now I can go ahead and count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And I can see 3 times 5 equals 15. So that's one way of doing it. I can do it vertically where I build up. Okay, now the other way I can do it is I can build on the ground. I can make an array on the ground. So here I'm asking the equation 4 times 3. So I'm going to take a little fly up in the air here, and I'm going to make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want it 4 by 3. So now I've got 4 across. I want 1, 2, 3. Now I need to fill in all these spaces. Okay, so That's one group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and finally 4 groups of 3. So now I can look at this and I can say 4 times 3, get down there, 4 times 3, I've got 4 groups of 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I have 4 times 3, get down on the ground, there we go. I've got 4 times 3 equals 12. So here I've demonstrated 2 different ways to create arrays or groups on using Minecraft to solve different mathematical equations or different multiplication equations. So we were able to see 3 times 5, 3 groups of 5 is 15. Over here we saw 4 groups of 3 is 12. I hope you guys found this really helpful, and if not, at least entertaining. Thanks a lot for the view, and you have a great evening.